Okay, Wildcats. Today we're looking at Journal Page 4, Solving Systems of Linear Equations with Matrices. To solve the system of equations with the inverse, you first write the matrix equation AX equals B, where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix, and B is the constant matrix. The matrix equation representing is shown. So you have AX equals B. To solve AX equals B, multiply both sides by the inverse, A inverse. So you have AX equals B, so A inverse A times X equals A inverse B. A inverse times A is 1, so you have X equals A inverse B. All right, let's go and take a look at the first example. All right, example 1. Solve the system using matrices. Okay, so first off, let's convert it to a matrix. So we have 4, 2, 1, 1, negative 3, negative 3, negative 2, 3. Technically, that's plus 0z, so that's 0. This is your matrix A. And then you have x, y, z. There's your x equals 22, 23, 7. And that's B. Now remember, we have AX equals B. So we multiply both sides by A inverse. So we have X equals A inverse B. So we have X, Y, Z equals, and then we just need to use our Desmos matrix calculator to find A inverse B. Okay, so to do that, we go to desmos.com matrix, new matrix, and then I can actually click on the matrix, change the dimensions 3 by 3. So we have 4, 2, 1, 1, negative 3, negative 3, negative 2, 3, 0, enter, and then new matrix, and then that's the 3 by 1, and that's 22, 23, 7, press enter, and then all I have to do is A inverse B, so then that's 703. So X equals 7, Y equals 0, Z equals 3. All right, let's take a look at the next example. Okay, example 2. So again, we're going to convert this to matrix. So that's 2, negative 6, 4, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 3, negative 9, 6. That's your A, X, Y, Z. And that's your X equals 15, negative 45, 30, and that's your B. And remember, we know that AX equals B. Multiply both sides by A inverse. So A inverse times A is 1, so you get 1x equals A inverse B. Okay, so X, Y, Z equals, so we come over here, Desmos calculator, we're going to delete what we had before. So new matrix, it's a 3 by 3. So then that's 2, negative 6, 4, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 3, negative 9, 6, press enter, and then new matrix, that's a 3 by 1. We have 15, negative 45, 30, enter, and then we do A inverse B. We get an error message. That means we need to do this without a calculator. So we're going to come over here. All right, so let's number this 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to multiply equation 1 by 3 and combine it with equation 2. So that becomes 6x minus 3y plus 9z equals 45. That's equation 1 multiplied by 3. And then we take the second equation, and that's just equation 2. We combine. This becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So you have 0 equals 0, which will always be true. So that's infinite solutions. Okay, so go ahead and finish up example 2. All right, let's take a look at example 3. Okay, so again, we convert this to matrix. So 2, negative 6, 4, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 3, negative 9, 6. That's A. That's x, y, z. X equals B, which is 15, 45, 30. That's your B. And remember, we know that AX equals B. Multiply both sides by A inverse. That becomes 1x equals A inverse B. So XYZ equals, so let's use our calculator. We're going to clear out what we had before. So new matrix, 3 by 3. So that's 2, negative 6, 4, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 3, negative 9, 6, enter, and then new matrix. It's a 3 by 1, and we have 15, 45, 30. Okay, enter, and then we do A inverse B. We get again error message, so we need to do this without a calculator. So we're going to multiply equation 1 by 3 again. So that's 6x minus 3y plus 9z equals 45. It's equation 1 multiplied by 3. And then equation 2 is negative 6x plus 3y minus 9z equals 45. And that's equation 2. Okay. This becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So you have 0 equals 45, and 45 is 90. 0 will never equal 90, so this is no solution. Okay, go ahead and finish up example 3. Start working on your assignment and have a wonderful Wildcat day.